Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English literature class and our today's topic is synonym and antonym. I am repeating, today's topic is synonym and antonym. So let's start. Students, look at the board. Today's topic is synonym and antonym. Just look your word synonym, antonym. Okay. So the first one is cool. The synonym is cold. Antonym is hot. Cool, cold, hot. Then ripe, mature, green. Synonym is mature. Antonym is green. So ripe, mature, and green. Now the next one is love, like, hate. So the synonym of love is like, antonym is hate. So love, like, hate. And the next one, angry, fierce, calm. Angry, fierce, calm. Then the next one is real, natural, unnatural. So the synonym of this word is natural and antonym is unnatural. So real, natural, unnatural. Then the next one is help, assist, and disturb. Help, assist, and disturb. Ill, sick, and antonym is well. So the synonym of ill is sick, antonym is well. So ill, sick, well. Come, arrive, and go. The synonym of the word come is arrive and antonym is go. So come, arrive, go. Then take. The synonym of take is receive, antonym is give. So take, receive, give. Take, receive, and give. Now the next one is warm, and the synonym of this word is hot and the antonym is cold. So warm, hot, cold. Warm, hot, cold. Now the next one is thick, and the synonym of thick is fat, antonym is thin. So thick, fat, thin. Thick, fat, thin. Now the next one is sleep. The synonym of sleep is rest, antonym is wake. Sleep, rest, wake. Now the next one is rest. The synonym of rest is relax, antonym is work. So rest, relax, work. Now the next one is slowly. The synonym of slowly is gently, antonym is quickly. Slowly, gently, quickly. Slowly, gently, and quickly. And the last one is stop, and the synonym of stop is halt, antonym is start. The synonym is halt and antonym is start. So students, just once again, a word synonym, antonym. The first one is cool. The synonym of cool is cold, antonym is hot. Ripe. Synonym is mature, antonym is green. Love. The synonym is like, antonym hate. Angry. Synonym is fierce, antonym calm. Then real. The synonym is natural, antonym unnatural. Help. Synonym is assist, antonym is disturb. Ill. Synonym sick, antonym is well. Come. Synonym is arrive, antonym is go. Take. Synonym is receive, antonym is give. Warm, the synonym is hot, antonym cold. Thick, synonym is fat, antonym is thin. Sleep, the synonym is rest, antonym is wake. Then the next one is rest, the synonym is relax, antonym is work. Slowly, the synonym is gently, antonym is quickly. Stop, the synonym is halt, and the antonym is stirs. So the students, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.